Traffic has its own rhythm. When everything flows, no one notices. But the moment a single mistake appears, that rhythm breaks. Cars slow, then come to a stop, and frustration spreads fast. Park time captures moments like these, where one careless choice is enough to make many people pay with their time. Is this girl even real? How can someone push a car like that? Not a parking mistake. The car thought this was an off-road test zone. When a car gets stuck in the street, strangers become teammates for 30 seconds. Not everyone leaves a note. Some leave a memory that's hard to wash off.
I'm not getting nobody in here. Jesus Christ. Good luck to them.
Do you think sensors and cameras are enough to prevent moments like this?
He's on top of it, bro.
Parking in the wrong place isn't just inconvenient, it can steal precious rescue time. It's best to avoid parking on a curve, my friends. You never know what comes next. One bad moment can cost a fortune in repair bills for her. The car thought it parked on solid ground. Turns out it switched to hanging mode. This guy just earned 1 trillion parking points. A true champion. An intersection without traffic lights, both sides believe they have the right of way. Parked in the right spot, unfortunately with a complimentary odor service. He's not angry, he's just out of patience and switched to waiting mode. When you block someone's path, don't be surprised if that path gets opened another way. An impressive way to cross the road, but I strongly suggest not copying it. Very expensive. When the handbrake exists only in the manual, and teammates show up in real life. Take it easy, ma'am. There's always a solution. Calm is faster. Illegal parking, and the car gets relocated according to someone else's plan. Park and disappear, leaving a geometry problem for the entire lot. An easy way to create a parking space for yourself, but don't try this, my friends. Why stop in the middle of the road to clean the windshield? That's asking for trouble. Driving like this might be a good reason to review how that license was passed. Reversing can be an art, but this one's a bit loud, my friend. Must have been the pulling force that was too strong, not that the car was tied wrong. Even a horse-drawn vehicle needs to park properly like this. We have to take our hats off to her incredible driving skills. Parking like this leaves no room for debate about driving skill. Nice car, but please park it where it's allowed. This might be her worst parking attempt. Do you agree? With that much space, backing up like this makes you wonder if mirrors exist. Instead of teaching your girlfriend how to park, it might be faster if you just do it. Let's handle things calmly like this. It usually works out better. Instant karma for this car. Following traffic laws matters for everyone. An effective way to get the car down, just cut the tree. This cat's gym looks very special.
Przysięgam, po prostu umieszczam to w internecie.
This guy reverses very carefully, worth learning from.
Podanie ponad jego siły. Cofnął, wysiada. Które przysięgam. To już, wiesz...
In the end, everyone has to bow to Mother Nature. This guy must be very familiar with situations like this. That's why he drove the way he did. A big vehicle trying to park properly. Here's an idea, but I wouldn't recommend copying it. Always park far away from fire hydrants. You never know what will happen to your car. Looks like this car is hanging up to dry. Do you see it too? No need for long explanations in my city. They act faster than you think. Watch the road markings under your feet, or you'll become the neighborhood's joke. Thought parking under the porch was safe. Turns out it's just safe to budget for repairs. And when enough time has been taken, consequences start to speak for themselves. No arguments, no explanations. Everything unfolds exactly as many people have been waiting for. Park Time is here to capture those moments. If you've ever been in a similar situation, stay with Park Time for the next story.